Welcome to PageProof, the smarter way to review. Let's take an in-depth look at proof deadlines and reminders. When a proof is created, we automatically suggest a due date and time for the proof. The due date is when you'd like to have all reviewers' feedback come back to you. By default, this is in 3 days' time, but here are some tips for setting deadlines quickly and easily. Firstly, you can change the suggested due date by typing in phrases like tomorrow, next Tuesday, in 5 days, for example. Clicking the calendar icon lets you see the calendar view where you can select a date and time. Remember, when PageProof sends out proof invitation emails, the due date and time is shown to your reviewer in their local time zone to ensure proofs are returned to you on time. You can also change your default setting of due in 3 days. Just click your avatar to open your profile and click Settings to make any changes you'd like. At the time of creating the proof, you can set an automatic reminder to occur either a number of hours or days before the proof deadline. You can also set multiple reminders if you like. A friendly notification is sent out automatically to those reviewers who haven't finished reviewing the proof at that reminder, without you having to lift a finger. After the proof has been sent out, you can change the due date and time and reminders in the proof's info pane. Look for the eye icon on the proof tile or in the proof screen to open the info pane. In the proof's info pane, the workflow shows where the proof is up to, who's finished reviewing, who hasn't, even those who have looked at the proof but haven't finished yet. If you'd like, you can send a nudge to a reviewer who hasn't finished yet. A nudge will send the reviewer an email reminding them there is a proof waiting for them to look at. It's kind of like a tap on the shoulder. You can do this individually or click the handy Nudge All at the top of the workflow. If the proof is waiting at a step for a reviewer who is mandatory or a gatekeeper, you can skip them to move the proof along in the workflow. This is a bit like bypassing them so that the next group of reviewers can begin proofing. They'll be notified by email that they've been skipped, and they still have their red pen to add comments to the proof until the proof is returned to the owner with a to-do list or a final approval. Skipping is better than removing the reviewer altogether, because if you remove the reviewer from the workflow, they won't be able to view the proof at all. Lastly, PageProof's reporting will give you valuable insights if any bottlenecks are occurring across your organisation's proofs. The Proofs Out in Review and Proofs Overdue report are the ones you'll want to generate. If you have any questions or feedback for the team, use the in-app chat on your dashboard. PageProof, the smarter way to review.